because we are done to our activity, let's proceed to our discussion. So our topic for today is all about musical symbol and its interval. So what is musical symbol all about? Yes, Maturan? Yes, very good, thank you. So musical symbol, it is a mark in a musical notation that indicates various aspects of how a piece of music is to be performed. So now, how about the interval? Yes, Sanchez. Very good, no? So interval, it is the distance between the two notes. So for example, all right, okay. So what do you call by this? Yes? All right, very good. It is a treble clef or what we call that G clef. So in G clef, there is a two-pitch name, which is the phase and the AGBDF. So phase, it is the space in a treble clef, while the AGBDF is the line of a G clef. So if the first note is in the space and the second note is in the line, so how do we know the interval of these notes? So this is how we count the interval. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the interval of its notes is 4. By the way, interval can also be called as harmonic or melodic, but it depends on how it is played. So harmonic is when you play the two notes simultaneously, while the melodic is when you play the two notes one after other. There are types of musical interval, which are unison, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, octave, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th. Unison or what we call the first, and the octave what we call the eighth. Okay, so this interval can also be classified as perfect, major, minor, diminished, and augmented interval. Perfect interval is happen more naturally on a major scale. So perfect interval can't be a minor because perfect is perfect. So major interval build upon the second, third, sixth, and seventh. If one half step smaller than a major interval, that is what we call the minor interval. Diminished interval is contains one less half step than a perfect interval. Last interval is the augmented. So augmented interval is a semitone larger than a major or a perfect interval. I have here an example of musical interval. These are the types of musical interval. This is the unison, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and the octave. So I have here an inversion of interval. Okay, so these are the minor, major, diminished, and augmented. Again, we need to know the musical symbol and its interval so that we know how to interpret and perform the music accurately. Okay, students, did you all understand? Alright, so this is the end of our discussion.